I don't understand what's going on in thrift stores, but the prices are on the rise. They are marking some of these items half of the retail or sometimes even close to the retail price. Let's talk about it. My name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. And if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. I ventured into a thrift store and just happened to take a little walk around just to see what they have. Not that I'm looking for anything in particular, but you just never know. I did spot a lamp that was $12, and this matched the ones in my bedroom. And then I spotted these brass lamps, a pair of those, and that wasn't too bad at $8 for each one of them. And I really liked them, but I'm just looking at the prices of stuff. But as I was walking around looking at other items, this particular stuff that you see in retail stores, the prices are almost just what you would buy in retail, only maybe like 30% off of that price because they still have the retail prices on them. This particular piece right here was at $40, and I thought that was expensive for that. But and then I ran into this Panther. I really loved it, but they had this tagged at $195, and I couldn't believe it. And the set of these bar stools was listed for $295. I just don't understand what's going on. The dresser was $175, and it's just like I'm wondering, shaking my head. The bench was listed for $95, and a few years ago these were roughly running about $35 to $40 because I used to see them. And then the medicine cabinet, the larger one, was $55 and $35, which wasn't too bad. And the price of the mirrors, the black and white, were $25, and the rattan ones were $35. And this little old cheap looking candle holder was $4.50. But when I flipped it over, it was retail for $9. So I'm like saying, why is that? I did find a set of these glasses for $8, which glasses were usually 50 cents to a quarter. And then this mug, it was a handcrafted mug for 50 cents. So that wasn't too bad. Not my style, but these end tables were listed for $175. But I did manage to find something in another basket for $9, which I was kind of happy about. And I lucked up and found a matching vase to one I already had. The large one was only $5, so I did scoop that up. And these were the items that I brought home with me that day. So I didn't break the bank at all, so my tally was about $26. And the vase, I just styled it on the etagere next to the other one. So I got rid of the little globe area that I had down there, and I like how the two matching vases look down there. I mean, the globes were really just fill-ins, and luckily they were cheap fill-ins, so now they're going, and I'm happy with that. I also found this little tray. Now we know trays are great for styling things or putting groups together, so when I found this tray for $2, I was very happy, and I knew exactly what I wanted to do with it, because when I burn my incense, the little the ashes, they always seem to not catch on the tray that I have it on. So I was happy to have found this particular tray, and I put all my incense on there. I put the incense holder, and the best part is that everything fit nice and neat inside that little tray. And once the ashes fall, if they fall, they'll fall inside the tray and not like on my book that I had it on, or on the cabinet. Yeah, so I get happy just picking up small little items that still feed my fetish of living the lifestyle of the thrift and famous, because I think that thrifting still needs to go back to thrift store prices and not discounted retail stores. But it seems like that's where we're headed. I'm so glad that I was able to take advantage when the prices were very, very low. And remember how excited I used to get when I find a great buy. So thank you again for watching. And after all, remember, beauty is being home and loving it. I hope you like this video. If so, please drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.